The kamikaze drones that Israel may deliver to Ukraine. UCAVs have existed for decades, but the war in Ukraine has brought them into the spotlight. Combat and reconnaissance drones play an essential role, but one type of drone is especially notable. Technically, it's classed as a loitering munition. It's also commonly known as a suicide drone. Russia deploys Iranian Shahed drones against Ukraine. Ukraine has used US-supplied switchblades. Now Israel is considering deliveries of the IAI Harop. What is it, and why does Ukraine want it so much? Israel has been a pioneer in loitering munitions. In fact, it knows more than anyone about drone warfare. Israel first used drones in combat during the 1973 Yom Kippur War, but those were early American remote-piloted vehicles. They inspired the Israelis to develop their own drones. Israel Aerospace Industries has been at the forefront of drone research. In 1989, they introduced the first successful loitering munition. The IAI Harop killer drone changed the battlefield. Before, the hunter-killer chain looked like this. An IAI scout drone would provoke enemy SAM batteries into revealing their position. Then a fighter jet would be sent to bomb them. The Harop made all this unnecessary. It served as both provocateur and striker. Armed with a high-explosive warhead, the drone was lethal. The Harop was so impressive, it was even exported to South Korea, Turkey, India, China, and Azerbaijan. But Israel didn't stop there. The Harop's success led to the development of the IAI Harop. The drone functions as an electro-optically guided attack weapon. It can be reconfigured to perform multiple tasks. Harops can even attack radars and gather intelligence. They can fly for up to 9 hours at a maximum altitude of 15,000 feet. The Harop is designed to fly at predefined holding areas. The drone loiters there prior to striking a target. The operator can control multiple Harops within the same holding area. Each can carry out an independent task. The Harop has already seen combat. In 2018, Israel deployed it during Operation House of Cards. It destroyed a Russian-made Panzer S-1 SAM in Syria. A year later, the Israeli Air Force destroyed another Syrian Panzer. The system was targeted by an IAI Harop. The Kamikaze drone's low observability makes it perfect for sneaking into enemy territory. For guidance, the Harop can autonomously home on the enemy's radar mission. But the Harop's most spectacular deployment came in 2020, and this time, it was not used by Israel. Azerbaijan used Harops against Armenia in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict. They provided a constant threat to Armenian troops. The list of Armenian equipment lost to drone attacks is staggering. At least 185 T-72 main battle tanks, 182 artillery pieces, 26 surface-to-air missile launchers, and more than a dozen radars. All this in just 6 weeks. The Harop can be launched from a variety of platforms. It can even be released from sea-based canisters. The maritime variant of the drone is intended for use at sea. It's safe to say, the Harop is the deadliest loitering munition in the world. Let's see if it turns up on the battlefield in Ukraine. If it does, the Russians may be in for a surprise.